Howdy and namaste everyone. My name is Parth Sahani and welcome to the Karma Yogi podcast where we discuss how to attract extraordinary success and become a better version of ourselves every day. If there's one thing that we can take away from the various challenges and crises that most of us went through in 2020, it's this. Problems are a part and parcel of life and they will never end. Although I did have some privileges and was able to work from home the entire time, like all of us, I did face mental and emotional obstacles this year as well. Of course, they're nothing compared to the gruesome setbacks that many people went through all over the world. But yes, there were times when I found myself in deep and dark places, mainly because of my natural tendency to ruminate over negative things and events. In addition, the last couple of months got pretty intense as I hit some roadblocks with respect to my work and had some stressful tech problems coming up again and again. In addition, all of a sudden I found myself going through a minor health issue for the past few weeks, which I hope I am recovering from now. While these were difficult times, I'm grateful I was able to tackle them head on with minimal financial worries. I learned some invaluable lessons with regard to technology use and my physical health, and I for sure understood how stress and negativity can have a toxic impact on our overall health, leading to manifestation of physical disorders and illnesses. How our mind truly has incredible power to heal our body and our emotional wounds, and that the only reason we continue to suffer is because we get in the way of our body's natural mechanisms that keep us healthy and ensure our well-being. In other words, I appreciate the mind-body connection in a much better manner now, and my belief has definitely escalated in that regard, especially after watching the Netflix documentary Heal. These realizations are definitely silver linings, and I'm sure they'll serve me in the long term. Obstacles do encourage and propel you to become a better, much wiser version of yourself. As aerospace scientist and former Indian President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, quote, "Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to help you realize your hidden potential and power." With regard to my creative journey, I'm grateful I was able to make some meaningful progress. I released Thriving in the New Normal earlier in the year, and then later I published The Daily Apple, which was a lot of work. Nonetheless, its completion brought me great joy and satisfaction. I'm proud of both of these books, and if you haven't gotten already, you can get your copies at all major stores. Also, I created my second podcast, Daily Success, later in the fall, where I post daily short-form episodes rooted in personal development, philosophy, and holistic success. I highly recommend you checking it out if you haven't already. Along with all the previous things, I'm happy I was able to write for my blog, The Daily Apple, consistently and make a small but important contribution every single day to my readers. In a nutshell, this year was definitely challenging but creatively fulfilling for sure, as I was able to work on these projects and spend a good time focusing on meaningful creations during the pandemic. I'm glad I was able to add value and positively impact people who came across my body of work in these difficult and uncertain times. Now, with those things discussed, let's talk about the importance of striving for big and audacious goals regardless of what's happening in the world right now. Michelangelo said, quote, "The greater danger for most of us lies not in setting our aim too high and falling short, but in setting our aim too low and achieving our mark." It's true that we have all had a crazy and challenging 2020. Both our personal and professional lives have been severely affected, and the fear and uncertainty is still palpable in the air. While we are not sure how things will turn out next year, and while it's safe to assume that we might expect more chaos, disturbance, and disruption in the coming months, we must resolve to not get victimized by the difficult circumstances that we find ourselves in and not let them deter us from setting new and mighty goals in 2021? Do you have a dream project that you really want to start working on? Or maybe an idea for a product or service that can greatly benefit people all over the world right now? There's no need to hold yourself back. Start working on them right now. Don't wait for the pandemic to get over and for the chaos to subside. Plan and execute your big move today. You must focus on becoming a brave heart and set up lofty goals for yourself. You must take the big swing and not worry whether you'll hit the perfect shot or not. Your mighty goals will propel you to take relevant actions consistently, and even if you don't accomplish them by the end of next year, at least you will make significant progress in the direction you want to go in. As a popular adage goes, aim for the stars, you might just land on the moon. You see, there's absolutely no downside. Clear-cut big goals with a strong why behind them generate long-lasting intrinsic motivation and bring us a sense of purpose and direction. And when we give our best and keep moving forward towards them day in and day out, we end up experiencing happiness and satisfaction. As Carolyn Adams Miller and Dr. Michael B. Frisch write in their book, Creating Your Best Life, quote, "When we make progress towards satisfying our most cherished needs, goals, and wishes in the 16 areas of life that contribute to contentment, we create well-being." Our research also shows that when we make progress toward attaining goals in one area of life, we raise our overall life satisfaction in other areas because of the potent spillover effect. Detach from what's going in the world and set big, hairy, and audacious goals for yourself. It doesn't matter whether you get your desired outcomes or not. What's more important is that you take the big swing and push yourself out of your comfort zone. Now it's time for the Gratitude Attitude segment, where I talk about things and experiences that I feel grateful for and share with you any books, products, services, and tools that add immense value to my life. This week, I want to express my gratitude for a guided meditation that I came across. The title of this meditation is Holiday Season Intention Meditation. Holidays can get stressful sometimes, and this meditation gives you the much needed space to recharge your brain so that you can bring your very best energy to the time that you have this holiday season. In addition, it helps you stay focused on the present so that you are able to cherish and honor each moment that you spend during the holidays, either with yourself or your friends and loved ones. I'll post the YouTube link to this meditation in the show notes if you'd like to check it out. If you'd like to get a nugget of inspiration and insight delivered to your inbox every single day, come visit my blog, thedailyapple.me, and sign up for the email newsletter. There's no charge, it's 100% free. Also, if you're facing a personal or professional challenge and would like to seek guidance and help from yours truly, go ahead and schedule a mentoring session by sending an email to mentoring@parthsahani.com. Again, it's mentoring@parthsahani.com. Happy holidays everyone, and a very happy and prosperous new year. I'm sending you my warmest wishes, and may you have peace, love, prosperity, and incredible success in the coming year. As you let this year go and step into 2021, I hope you take this simple message with you. Focus on your actions and let go of the outcomes. Because success is a journey, not a destination, and we need to keep working towards it every single day. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.